Installing your Pure Water ice and drinking water systems at your business could not be easier. In fact, Pure Water Technology of Western and Central New York is locally owned and operated and has installed over 4,500 pieces of equipment in various businesses and industries across the region since 2008. Pure Water serves a wide variety of customers, from small mom-and-pop shops to large corporations and everything in between. Your Pure Water system can go anywhere in your facility there's an electrical outlet nearby and a water source, and often replaces drinking fountains, outdated 5-gallon jugs, and lower quality filter coolers. Although typical installation is in a break area, we have experience running our FDA-approved water line to ceilings as high as 60 feet or to where a water source is more than 300 feet away. Regardless of the distance, your systems will be installed with minimal disruptions to your business and workday. First, the technician will confirm the desired location of your system has a power outlet. Next, they will locate a convenient water source in your building connecting the water line from the source to your system. Typically, the installer will run the water line invisibly behind walls or above drop ceilings, similar to the process of running network cable. All you will see behind your new system is the tubing feeding out of an outlet plate on your wall. Ball valve fittings are also installed at either end of the water cooler line for easy shutoff and system maintenance. After installation is complete, which typically takes only 45 minutes, your Pure Water installation specialist will put your cooler through a final diagnostic test, explain operation, and how to contact us should a service need arise. All systems are placed on an annual preventative maintenance schedule to ensure peak operation. To recap, you will be receiving an unlimited amount of purified hot and cold drinking water and ice if desired at an easy, affordable fixed monthly rate. So take advantage of our no-obligation 7-day free trial and contact Pure Water now.